Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make an accordion. The accordion is so common that it is usually very familiar to designers who design for the backend product, as most of the menus of backend products exist in the form of accordion lists. Because the accordion can be unfolded and folded, it can store many menu items. Now let's set up widgets. First, drag in a box, change its fill color to black, and enter headers. Then drag in two boxes, enter cell 1 and cell 2 respectively, and group them. Then we add interaction to it. Add loaded interaction, hide this, and select Pull Widgets below. Select the header, add click interaction, toggle the visibility of the cell group, add slide down up animation, and select Push Pull Widgets below. Duplicate two lists. Preview the prototype. When we click the header, the cell group's visibility is toggled. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.